Okay, here we have a 1984 Datsun 300ZX Turbo Anniversary Coupe. It's got the 3.0 liter straight 6-cylinder turbo engine underneath the hood and a 5-speed manual transmission. And this one's going for $30,000 even. Okay, here's a 1972 Corvette going for $28,000 even. It's got the 350 V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. It only has 49,441 actual miles on it. Okay, here's a 1973 Chevy Corvette going for $15,900, and it's got the 350 cubic inch V8 engine underneath the hood and a 4-speed manual transmission. This is a 1963 Chevy Impala 4-door sports sedan with a 283 V8 engine underneath the hood, paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $29,500. Okay, here's a 1999 Plymouth Prowler convertible. This one's going for $26,500, and it's got the 3.5 liter V6 engine underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here is a 1980 Mazda RX-7 Coupe going for $30,000 even. It's got the rotary engine underneath the hood, of course, and that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. The exterior color is called Stardust Blue Metallic. Okay, here's a 1935 Chevy EC standard 2-door sedan going for $29,000 even. It's got a 454 V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. This one's going for $29,000 even, guys. Okay, here's a 1955 Olds 88 two-door sedan, going for $23,900. It's got the 324 rocker V8 engine underneath the hood and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1957 Chevy Bel Air 4-door sedan, going for $21,500. It's got the 283 V8 engine underneath the hood, paired up with a 2-speed automatic power glide transmission. Okay, here's a 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL convertible, going for $20,500. It's got the 3.8-liter V8 engine underneath the hood and a 4-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $20,500. Okay, here's a 1964 Rambler 770 Classic. It's got a 287 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood and a 3-speed manual transmission. This one's going for $27,900. Okay, here's a 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon hardtop, going for $19,500. It's got the 350 cubic inch V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And it's only got 26,181 actual miles on it. It does have a little bit of damage on the right front fender, but definitely repairable. Other than that little damage there, it's in pretty good shape. Okay, here we have a 1955 Buick Series 40 Special Riviera hardtop. It's going for $28,500. And it has a 264 cubic inch nailhead V8 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 2-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here we have a 1964 and a half Ford Mustang hardtop. And this one's going for $18,500. It's got a 260 V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1978 Chevy Corvette 25th Anniversary Edition, going for $25,000 even. It's got the 350 V8 L82 engine underneath the hood and that's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1963 Ford Galaxy, and I'll get all the information for you because there's nothing posted yet as far as price and all that. Okay, here is a 1957 Chevy 150 two-door sedan going for $29,950. It's got a 327 cubic inch V8 engine underneath the hood and a 4-speed manual transmission. Okay, here's a 1966 Ford Thunderbird Landau hardtop. This one's going for $14,900, and it's got a 390 V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And this one's going for $14,900. Look at the dashboard, the gauges, it's crazy. Okay, here we have a 1968 Cadillac Sedan DeVille 4-door hardtop. And this one's going for $13,500. It's got the 472 V8 engine underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Okay, here's a 1958 Buick Super Riviera 2-door hardtop. Going for $30,000 even. It's got the 364 cubic inch V8 engine underneath the hood and a 2-speed automatic transmission. It's a beautiful, unique car. Okay, here's a 1953 Chevy 210 two-door sedan. Going for $17,500. It's got a 350 V8 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It looks like this is a good price for this car. Okay, here's a 1981 Chevy Corvette Coupe, going for $18,000 even. It's got a 350 V8 underneath the hood and a 3-speed automatic transmission. And this is going for $18,000 even. Okay, next up is a 1977 Chevy Corvette, going for $24,900. And it's got the 350 V8 L82 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Black on black. Okay, here we have a 1973 Chevy Monte Carlo hardtop, going for $25,900. It's got the 350 V8 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Boy, I don't think I've seen so many Ramblers in my life before in one place. This is a 1965 Rambler Marlin Fastback, going for $23,900. It's got the 287 cubic inch V8 engine underneath the hood, paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. And there's the Fastback rear end. It's a nice looking car. I like the red stitching on the black seats. Really sweet. Okay, here's a, we've filmed this a couple times before. It's a 1965 Chevy Malibu, going for $28,000 even. It's got the 350 V8 engine underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the power antennas integrated into each quarter panel, so it's got 2. Maybe the one on the left-hand side is a false antenna, just to make it match the other side. Okay, here's a 1964 Dodge Dart 270 2-door hardtop, going for $18,500. It's got the 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine underneath the hood, and that's paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission.